Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain is uroyty.com legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end as I will share the way to get your money back. So here we can see that they have different categories like tool, car accessories, home improvement, garden tool, happy Halloween, gardening and lawn care. Here they have showcased their featured collection products, and we can also see that the prices of these products are heavily discounted. They are having mostly 50 to 60% discount. They are having Christmas pre-sale which is 50% off, hot sale and some other things too. So they are having mostly the random products, different kind of random products. Here they have also given their newsletter. Here at the bottom page they have mentioned that they will take PayPal as their mode of payment. So now let's move ahead to the shipping information. So here we can see that they have divided their time, and they have mentioned that they can take around 7 to 10 business days to deliver the order. They have also mentioned that they will provide free shipping on orders over $39. Now guys, before going any further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about on those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. Well, the site is having a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing as it will protect your payment methods. Coming to the website age, the website was registered on 17th July 2020, which means it is approximately 2 months old, which is not a very good thing as new websites never have credibility. So now let's move ahead to other details like about us section. Although let me say that they are having some grammatical errors and they seem to have copied content, because we can see that about us, contact us, shipping information, terms of service are displayed in bold letters, and other ones are written in the normal lowercase letters. So this is something that no website would do, which is legit. So in the about us section, they have mentioned some of the details regarding themselves, and it was started by 3 friends and the traveling, and they have only mentioned regarding the traveling details. But the products they are selling are mostly related to home improvement and random products. So they are giving some fake information here, and it also looks a lot of copied one too. So they are not giving any authentic information, which is a bad thing as no legit website would ever do that. Now coming to the contact us section, we can see that they have given their contact service email ID here, which does matches with the website domain, which is a good thing. Also they have given their company's address, which does not look very much legit to us. The prices provided by the website is very much heavily discounted. It looks like too good to be true prices. The payment methods are also limited. So now let's move ahead to the contact us section. Here we can see that they have given the same information as well. So looking into the social media presence, the site is having no social media presence whatsoever, which is a bad thing. So now let's check out their return policy. Here they have mentioned their cancellation and returns. So they have mentioned that they have 14 days of return policy, which is quite sufficient. Also share your reviews regarding the return and refund policy of the website. Now coming to the customer reviews, the site is having no customer reviews on its homepage, but we can found some very bad customer reviews on various other sites on Google, which showcases that the site is a potential scam and they are not happy with the services, which is again a bad thing. So looking into the website content quality, the website content quality is very very bad, as we can see various copied content, copied images, grammatical errors, layout errors, etc. So guys, giving a final verdict, we currently do not recommend this site to you because it looks like a possible scam to us, because it is having 2% of trust score index, it is having bad customer reviews, copied content, and the site is also new. Although, if you have ever been scammed, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, as we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.